Well, a man killed on train tracks in Kaiapoi this week has been revealed as Nicky Wagner's campaign manager. 28-year-old Gary Thompson was struck by a southbound freight train at around 11 p.m. on Wednesday night. He died at the scene. He worked with the Christchurch Central MP at her last election, and in a statement Wagner wrote, "He was a very inspiring young man and worked hard." She says she thoroughly enjoyed working with him and her thoughts are with his family. Police are not treating the death as suspicious.